Hello again, YouTube. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have not yet, please tap that subscribe button down at the bottom. And a big shout out to all those who have subscribed. Make sure you hit that notification bell as well. All right, so if you read the title, you see I am talking about actually something that has to do with the pandemic that's going on all around the world. A judge by the name of Miss Pinky Carr. Yes, the judge name is Miss Pinky Carr. This story is coming by way of Ohio. So Pinky Carr, she was actually ordered to stop holding judge hearings. They actually had to order her to stop having hearings back on March the 13th. That's when everything started with the crisis. So they ordered her to stop holding hearings, and they also ordered her to not place any orders to lock anyone up, especially people that have not been locked up, period. So she continued to hold hearings, even though they did actually implement the social distance rule about her not holding court. She still chose to hold court on her own accord. And she said, so if these buildings are open, I will be here. And if they don't show up, they will be classified as a no-show. And she actually signed off checking that they were a no-show for court. So with her being a judge, she knows if a person is initially put down as a no-show in court, what happens? A warrant. Okay, so it is noted, and this came from out of Fox, from out of Ohio. They actually ended up talking to her, and she ended up actually not telling the truth. She was not honest. She actually told them that she never put out any warrants for anyone, but come to find out, she actually issued warrants for 33 people that have not ever been locked up. And just think about the pandemic, this pandemic that's going on, this crisis that we're dealing with all around the world. The last thing anyone wants to do is end up in jail. That is a very unsafe place to be right now. And she actually issued warrants for 33 people. And actually, a law firm ended up stepping in. The law firm goes by the name of Friedman and Gilbert. So they stepped in because they had some very big concerns when it came to the actions of Miss Pinky Carr. So when they stepped in, they ended up, I believe, speaking to her after the news spoke to her. And they ended up finding out more information about what she's been doing. And it was actually on camera that she referred to one of the clients that came into court, called him an idiot, and she said some other rude things. But I do have a news clipping speaking on the situation. But Miss Pinky, Judge Pinky Carr, never admitted to anything that she did. But check out this news clipping all the way to the end. Make sure you drop your comment down about this situation. Very serious situation. I couldn't imagine a person having a court date and all of this stuff has come up. We're put into action to have social distance and you having to worry about being locked up. Could you imagine that? And a woman actually implementing that you have a warrant put out for your arrest for something as minor as small misdemeanors. Check out the news clipping, drop your comment below, and please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for tuning in. Watch it all the way to the end, please. Until next time, I'm signing out, Katie Talk 101, and as usual, love you, YouTube. Stay healthy, and please stay safe.
First name, Hayes.
Judge, good morning. My apologies for not showing up yesterday. I was confused.
Cleveland Municipal Court Judge Pinky Carr is still holding hearings in her courtroom, even though the court's administrative judge directed that all court hearings be postponed until April 3rd. The postponement is for defendants who are not in jail and is meant as a way to help stop the spread of the coronavirus.
Some of my colleagues, they're taking into account as well. People are here. What are we supposed to do? Just turn them away?
One defendant appeared in Judge Carr's court Wednesday wearing gloves.
There's no officer here to testify against you. Are you making a motion to dismiss?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Your motion to dismiss is granted. Mr. Fluker Jr., have a most wonderful day. Thank you for coming down.
Thank you.
Judge Carr explained that even though the courts put out information telling defendants to stay home, she wasn't sure everyone would know they didn't have to show up.
So as a result, I was here Monday, I was here Tuesday, I was here Wednesday. And as I predicted, we actually had people who came in. I thanked them for coming in. I also suspended their fine and costs, which is not uncommon for me to do.
The judge stressed to me that she did not issue any warrants for anyone who did not show up for court Monday or Tuesday. And she added she doesn't plan to issue warrants for no-shows this week or next. But attorney Ian Friedman, president of the Cleveland Metropolitan Bar Association, believes most court hearings should be rescheduled right now for health reasons.
We ask that all judges follow the mandates that are handed down by the World Health Organization, by the Centers for Disease Control, by our governor. I mean, we cannot, as lawyers, put ourselves in front of the medical advice that's coming down and the data. We cannot disregard that.
But the judge says she felt she owed it to the citizens to keep her courtroom open.
If people came to court and they were willing to risk their health, I figured I would return the favor.
In Cleveland, Peggy Gallick, Fox 8 I-Team.